Hello everyone, my name is Vinay and you're watching EduSmart. Today I'm back with another exciting video as part of Accenture's onboarding. Now, if you have got your you have got selected for Accenture, after that you will get a mail regarding your document uploading process where you have to upload some basic documents like up to six semesters mark sheets that I have made a separate video where I have shown you how to even e-sign. Now that step is important. If you do not know how to e-sign the documents, I recommend you to watch that particular video. At the end of that video, I have shown you how to e-sign the documents. Now after uploading the documents, all your documents will be verified, and once they are verified, you are eligible to get another email wherein you will get your offer letter and terms of employment, where in that email they have asked you to download them for your future reference. So you have to download your terms of employment and offer letter from that particular email, and once you download them, you have to keep them with you for your reference. Now that reference is here. Now you have to use them in this email. So this is a very particular and crucial step, and I recommend you to watch this video till the end. If not, you will face difficulties. Now what you have to do in this email. So once you got your, as I mentioned, as you got your offer letter and terms of employment and you have downloaded them, thereafter you will get an email from Accenture wherein you will get a password changing email, a link to change your password, and as well as a welcome email. So in that particular email, you will be creating your account on Accenture profile. You will be creating your separate profile, that is a particular one, using that changing password link. You have to click that and you have to change your password, and you will be able to create your own password, and you will be creating your profile on Countdown to Accenture. Now this Countdown to Accenture is specifically for you. That is particular website like for you. Everything will be discussed with you. Everything like how many days are yet to go to join Accenture, and everything will be available on that particular website. So you have to complete that process. That is mandatory, guys. And after that, you will receive this email, welcome to Accenture. And this in this document, in this email, there are two things to be done. The first one is the list of documents. There are some list of documents that you have to upload. And after that, there are some documents that you have to get ready with. Now, what are those? So these three documents are to be uploaded right away, which are offer letter, terms of employment, consent form. Now the offer letter and terms of employment are already available with you, right? You have got them. Now you have to e-sign these three documents. Okay, offer letter and terms of employment are available with you. Now what is this consent form? Now this consent form is nothing but this self-declaration form, guys. You can click this. In this email you will get a declaration form which is called self-declaration form, and at the end you have to write your joining date, your signature, your candidate name, and your employee ID. These are to be mentioned here, and then you have to upload them. Now how you will do this? You can either take a printout of all these three documents, terms of employment and your offer letter and this. You can take a printout of them and you can sign them, you can write them, and you can do that process. You can scan them and you can upload them. That is one way of doing that. Apart from that, what is another way is you can do them electronically. How you can do that? I have shown a video, right? I have made a video, the first ever video, a documents uploading process video. I have shown you how to do this with Adobe. Now you can use that step. That is pretty simple. You can do that and you can simply do that. You need not go and take a print out. You have to do signing, and then you again need to scan and uploading. This is a very tough process, but I recommend you to do this electronic process digitally. You can simply download this and you can go and do it with that. You can just sign it electronically. I have shown you complete process in that. That is pretty simple. You need not worry about this. Now let us talk about what is this self-declaration. What is this all? Now, as part of the onboarding process, you only have 6 semester mark sheets with you, right? But in order to onboard, what Accenture requires is all your semester marks, your CV, as well as your provisional certificate and lot more documents. Now those all are not available with you, but you have to tell them that I will be uploading all of those documents whichever asked by Accenture in the near future. Now if you have only 6 semesters, but in the future you will get your 7th semester, and in the future you will get 8th semester, you will get your provisional certificate and whatnot. Whatever you are getting, you have to upload them. Okay, but you have to tell them that I will do this and I will upload this all the mandatory documents in the future. That is what this document means to them. So and then at the end you are declaring that I will do this and I will do that and I have something whatever they ask for. At this you will sign and then that is simple guys. You just need to sign this and upload it. This is the self declaration form. Now you can click this Accenture link wherein you will be redirected to this page. You have to choose e-sign with Acrobat if you wanted to e-sign the documents, and if not you can choose another option which is you will get here. This was what we call just physical sign, that in that physical sign you can do a physical sign. But here if you see this how to do this, you can choose this, click here, and then you will be able to go with this page. Now here you can see Adobe e-signature, how to do that. I have made a video, right? You can choose that video and see that video and completely you can do that. That is this is very difficult. Once you're done with that, you have to choose these options, whether you have a laptop with you, whether you do not have a desktop with you, whether you have an internet connection or not, and whether you have an employee provident scheme, EPS, national pension scheme. These are some things that are with experienced candidates. But as you all are from 2021 pass outs, you do not have them, so you can choose no. After that, you have to upload this offer letter, terms of employment, self-declaration. After completing the e-sign process of three documents, you can choose this upload button and then upload them. Sorry, you can click this browse button and you can upload all of these three documents. You have to digitally sign offer letter, terms of employment, and self-declaration using the Adobe. In the offer letter or terms of employment, at each and every page, they might be asking for your signature. So you can just copy that picture and you can paste it over there, and then you will be uploading. So in this countdown to Accenture, here the second link, right here in this second link, when you click this countdown to Accenture, you will be redirected to this page where you can see everything about yourself. Now here 159 days to go, Vinay. So this is a still link, and you have to these all are logged as of now. This will be unlocked on this particular date, maybe on 8th August 10th if it is, or else it is October 8th. It is based on their convention. I guess it is October 8th. On this particular date, all this might be unlocked, I guess. So you only have to upload these three right now, like offer letter, terms of employment, and the self-declaration form. But you will in future getting these form 11, form 2, as well as nomination form, as well as form F. You have to download them and keep with you yourself for your self reference, and you have to upload them in future in the Accenture's upload buttons. So if you get those mails, you have to keep with yourself. That is important. Don't neglect them. You just download them and keep with yourself. You have a folder with yourself in your system, and then keep all of the documents at one place so that you can easily access them in the future without any problems. So that is all about Accenture's uploading process and welcome email. This is very important step, guys. If you wanted to join Accenture, then you have to compulsory do these steps. And if you have if you were to not choosing to join Accenture, and if you have extended the offer letters, then you may not do it necessarily right now, but there is nothing like dates that I have mentioned. But if you wanted to join the Accenture, definitely I recommend you to do this step right away. And if you have any other questions, you can feel free to ask me in the comment section below, or else you can contact me on my Instagram, or you can send me a request on my LinkedIn. I will be active at all these three places, so that we can definitely communicate with each other and we can solve our problems. So that is all about this video. And if you have any other questions, or if you have any recommendations or suggestions, you can always feel free to contact me or put a comment in the comment section below. And thank you so much for watching this video. I'll be back with another exciting video very soon. Thank you, guys.